Hello guys and welcome to another travel review. This is Elflush Reviews. We're here now going to review the Youhan Beach Resort in Olongapo, Zambales, okay? So let's have a quick tour of what we can see down here, alright? Now to your right, as you enter the resort, you're going to see the pool and the small infinity pool that they have over there. And on the left, of course, is the counter with safety protocols that is in place. But let's go further down and see the nice greenery, the plantations, and the plant that make this place so elegant. Okay, that's the pool over there. We'll have a look at that pool later on. But let's go further and see what's inside. Now, as you go further inside, you're gonna see those houses on the left. Those are the Bahay Kubos. Those are really the cheapest that you can get here. They cost like 2,500 pesos a night. So you know, if you're tight on budget, you can consider renting that place for a night. Okay. The other thing, if you have more than over that kind of budget, you can spend a little more on those three apartment style complex houses. Okay, they range for like 4,000 a night. Okay guys, so let's have a look further on the structure here. So this used to be actually just a rest house until the owner decided to convert it to a resort. Okay, so they can make some income. All right, as I told you earlier that we're gonna get back to the pool. So these are the steps leading to the pool. Well, you can see the nice coconut tree on the side while we go to the pool. That's the shower right there before you take a bath and dive into the pool. Now let's take the few little steps going up. Yep, that's the shower again. Few little steps going up and have a look at the pool. Wow, the pool looks so blue, so clean, and it smells so good. A bit chlorinated, but still smells good. And that's the small kiddie pool, and over there's like another pool as well, the circular pool. Okay, well, that's it for the ground tour. Let's see what we can see upstairs right over there. Okay, I'll see you guys and follow me and we'll see what further is in store inside this wonderful resort. Come on guys. Okay, so we're in the second floor right now. This is where most of the overnight rooms are located, okay? But there's still a third floor where we can get a nice view of the coast and the ocean as well. So come on guys, follow me and let's have a look. So here we are, almost to the top, few steps to the top, and wow, I can already feel it and see it. Look at that amazing view guys from the third floor of this resort. Wow, you get to see the ocean, the beach, the islands, the coastline. Isn't that amazing? Just staying here, having a look at the coast, you really will get that good relaxation vibe. You can also see as well other parts of the resorts from this top and really be amazed and find this resort very beautiful. But that is just an amazing view. I'll leave you guys to this view. Okay, just have a look and enjoy. Alright, so now that you've seen the coast and the ocean, which is a very spectacular view, let's have a look at the other wonderful views that you expect to see when you get in this resort. As I said earlier, that this resort is on the second floor where the rooms are, and as you walk up towards your room, you're going to be surrounded by many plantations and greenery, as well as with a nice blend to the white-brown background that gives us this relaxing resort vibe. Okay, just have a look at that amazing arrangement and design. Simple but beautiful. Simple is always best, as they say. But just have a look at it, and that beautiful girl in the mirror too, while me at the back speaking to you guys. Okay, so this is what you expect when you get up to your room. Okay, this is the deluxe rooms that we got. Okay, and it costs like 6,000 pesos a night, but currently they do have a promo that's like 40% off. Okay, so that's gonna be about like 3,000 plus. All right, now this is our room, and we're gonna just knock and see who's inside. That's what you can expect inside the room. Wow, wonderful interior design. Look at that Scandinavian table, look at that carpet, look at the TV and the wood over there. And so basic standard room, 2 beds, and 4 people can fit. There's a fridge inside, and there's a mirror as well. Okay, say hello to my cat. Hello. And the furniture also looks very modern and new. Everything here actually feels new compared to our Subic waterfront resort. But anyway, this is what's inside. Now let's have a look outside. So the nice thing about this room is that you have a balcony right here where you can eat and enjoy the river view. So that one at the back, that's the Pamatasan River, okay? It's just right behind the resort. Have a lovely view while eating there, okay? And not to mention the spectacular view of the mountains and nature. Now this, my friend, I think is worth the money you're paying for, especially now that they have a 40% discount, okay? Wow, amazing, amazing, just amazing for the view, okay? So guys, let's go ahead and see what else we have here. Oh yeah, don't forget, let's have a look at the lavatory or the bathrooms, okay? So go inside the bathroom. This is the great surprise that you have. Wow, you have a bathtub over there. You know, for the price in the bathtub, I think it's really worth a lot. Everything else is standard actually. But the thing that I'd like to highlight is, the bathtub. Also, there's a heater over there, so if you do want to bathe in warm water, you could use the hot heater setting over there. All right, over on the top. Wow, isn't this just so amazing? I'm sure you're gonna relax once you sit in here, and don't forget to bring your own foam bubble bath. Okay. This isn't included inside, but it's just a reminder, you guys, to those who plan to come over here, okay? If the beautiful gardens and the nice balcony and the wonderful rooms and furniture haven't convinced you, well, maybe an additional bathtub would, okay? So guys, come on here and have a good relaxation, and let's see the other parts that make us relax. So from the second floor, this is the terrace that you're gonna have access to, okay? And it also has the access to the wonderful view, okay? Look at those lovebirds. You wish sana all, okay? Look how they're in love because of this view. I guess this helps a lot. Anyway, yeah, so this is what you get, and you get a nice spectacular view near your room. Isn't that lovely and wonderful? Alright guys, so if anyone is curious too about the food here, they have a menu inside the room. Alright, let's have a look. So the price is like, Manila priced, okay? Well, that's how most resorts are here anyway in any part of the Philippines. Rarely do you see any tapsilog for like 50 pesos anymore. But anyway, the food looks delicious. Actually, we weren't able to get a video, but we did get a try, and I could say it's either hit or miss, because there's some food that's good, there's some food that doesn't taste as good, but taste standard, So for example, they have this hash brown here, which actually we thought was made of potatoes, but what you get is actually bread with cinnamon and an egg. So that's the hash brown. I don't know if it's an error or if they meant that, but that's what it is. Well, there's your menu, guys. Alright, now that we had a view of the inside of the resort, now it's time to look what's in store for us outside this resort. Okay, so if you guys come here to Zambales and you don't have the budget to stay in this resort, well, there are other options that you can do here in Youhan Beach Resort. Right, the other option is that you can go by the coast right there in the boardwalk that they have here, a very, very long cemented boardwalk that they have over here. Come on guys, let's have a look. Okay, that was a very long and tiring boardwalk here. We're still not on the edge. Or if you go on the edge, you know, you're gonna be by the coast, okay? But just like to note that, you know, this boardwalk, once the construction is done on the other end, this will connect it to Pundaquit Beach. So wow, there's gonna be lovely access when you go in this resort. If you have a car or if you want to walk, you can go to Pundaquit Beach easily, okay? Also, I'd like to tell you guys that that thing on the right side, that's with the Bahay Kubos, that's in a small resort, but the important thing is it's the white sanded beach that you get when you go here, which is amazing, as you can see from our bird's eye view earlier in the video, okay? Now, this is what you're gonna get when you walk further here to the other side of the beach. That's going to the long boardwalk that will soon connect to Pundaquit Beach. Okay, as you can see, you know, you can see those two islands over there in the distance. Okay, sorry for the very shaky video, but that small one is called the Camera Island. Okay, while the big one on the right, that is called the Capones Island. Okay, wow. So at this point, you know, you can see a lot of the Philippine islands in a rich history, and you can see also the white sand beach. Oh, by the way, guys, there's also going to be like an island tour here, boats that come in here, and that's going to cost like 1,200 pesos just to, you know, get to those lovely island tripping, okay? And some other water sports activities will be also here soon, alright? So guys, I'm just gonna leave you to it, and you guys have a look at the beach, okay? And judge for yourself how you feel, you know, when you're gonna be here, how you feel, think of how you're gonna feel when you come over here. Alright, if you guys are looking to go out of town and want to stay in a relaxing place with a very beautiful ambience, beautiful interior, as well as a nice view of the coast, then this is the place to be, guys. If that doesn't convince you enough, well, I'll leave you guys with the sunset.